Walah Medina Steel, and CNC Laser Cutting Services. We deal in all type of metal fabrication related to modern CNC products. CNC railing, CNC metal gates, CNC safety grills, metal or brass furniture, cutting of industrial products, mechanical parts, service all over Pakistan. To order or for more information, feel free to make a call or WhatsApp. Haji Shamrays Abasi 0342031988 0316531988 Hamza Abasi 0343522380 0314542380 CNC designer and operator 030991199091 031855120015. Thanks for your precious moments in watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share. For further details, please visit the workshop. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.